guys, so today I'm going to be giving you a room tour. So this has been a very highly requested video. So starting off, when you first walk in, you can see I have this bench with a pillow on it, and I have like this teal theme in my room, and I actually don't really like the color teal, but it was so that it can kind of match the portrait that I have. So I'll go over all of this. And so like, I know in my last room tour video, my room was like bright pink. It was just like my favorite color. And so it's probably a shock to everyone that my room is blue now. But I actually didn't pick my room. Like, I'm actually moving out and I'm getting my own apartment. So my mom basically just did whatever with this room. And over here is my dresser and my TV, and that's just like a little storage area. Like, I just threw some stuff under there. It's not really supposed to look like that, but I have like cards and stuff from like high school and college, and some like a really old picture. Ooh, that's a really old picture. I actually still have that there. And then over here is my window. It's gonna be really hard to see. Well, it's not too hard, but I'll show you the view that I have. I live on a golf course actually. It's really hard to see, but this is what my backyard looks like. Like, we have a little like patio thing out there with the grill. From this angle, this is like what my room looks like. I have the bench, and then the bed, the portrait, and then this is just like for decoration. And like, all of this goes with the teal, bluish, greenish theme that I have going on in my room. And so up here, this is another like painting type thing. Like, it's really cool. Like, if you look really closely, it's made from like, what is that, glass? I don't know what that is. But, and then walking into this corner, this is what my room looks like from this angle. And so walking around, I'll do my bed next. So I have this blue here, like it's a blanket that I don't really use. It's just more of like, just to go with the theme of my room, and it matches the pillow that I have here. And yeah, I love all these pillows, but it just takes forever for me to make my bed. When you go up, this is my portrait. And I'll like put in a picture of like the actual picture that was used to make this painting. And this painting was made by a Nigerian artist. Like, I used to live in Nigeria, and my parents, they just came back from Nigeria from living there for 3 years. And they got this done for me over there, because like, if you tried to get something like this done in America, you would literally pay a fortune. But over there, like, you can get things done like for like a really good price. Over here is my nightstand, and on top of it I have my laptop, and then that's just some more like decoration type things to go with the teal of the room, and then my lamp. And so this picture right here is my graduation picture from college. So yep, I got that degree. And yeah, my nightstand is really messy. I'm not even gonna open it because it's really messy. But back there, I just have like cords, and then I keep my purse like that. I just throw it down whenever I come in my room, and I just throw it right there. And so yep, this is that area. So this is what my room looks like from this angle. Pretty cool. So then walking through here is my bathroom vanity area. That is my closet. That is like my bathroom. And this is my vanity. And then that towel, it kind of like matches to go with like the gray theme that I have for my bathroom. I have like this rug here that goes with the gray theme of my room. And then that's my makeup kit. Like, if you've watched my morning routines and makeup videos, you probably have seen that many times before. And that's where I store stuff. Like, I put like all my hair stuff. Like I said, this is probably really messy, but that's all my hair stuff in there. In this cabinet, I just have like all the stuff from Bath and Body Works that I don't even use anymore, and then some hair supplies and some cleaning supplies. So moving on to the sink area, I have like, there's my sink, and then over here is my jewelry. And then on this side, I have like this elephant here. I didn't put that there, my mom put that there. That's like some more Bath and Body Works stuff. That's like the only scent that I use from Bath and Body Works. And then that towel that goes with the gray theme of my room as well. And then like an air freshener. And then this is my mirror. I love it because it's big, and I really love like big mirrors. So yeah. And then over here, moving on, is a cabinet, which is great to like store stuff. This is my closet. So going in. So let me first say that the reason why you don't see that many clothes here is because I am in the process of packing and moving for med school. So 90% of my clothes are already in suitcases and stuff. These are some clothes that it's like I like, but I just don't want to get rid of. And then this is just some other clothes, like some clothes that I don't want to give away. So moving along, like I have this shelf. That's just clothes just so I have something to wear. Because like I said, I still have a few more days left before I leave. And then this is like a team photo type thing. All my teammates signed it. And this was my team. And that is me. But then moving up here, like I'm such a hoarder. I keep all of my cheer uniforms. This was the first cheer uniform I ever got. This was the one I got from senior year of high school. I don't have all of my uniforms from high school because we had, some of them belonged to the school basically. And like this uniform, oh my god, it's so ugly. But it was a cheer team I used to cheer for in Texas in high school. And then this one was the one I cheered for when I was in college in New Orleans. We were the Tigers. This one is the one that y'all probably all know because we cheered in it this past year. And this is like my stole because I graduated honors in biology, so I had that just because it's like I worked so hard for this thing, so I'm like I'm gonna like keep it up there. And then that was our bow we never wore. This, a lot of people probably don't know this, but I was actually Miss Freshman First Lady my freshman year. And so I still keep that there because that was also a big accomplishment for me. Continuing on to the shelf. These are the palms that I cheered with this past year. And that's just an AKA hat that I don't really wear. But yeah. And then that's my Zula 18 cap. So yeah, back here is where we store stuff. These are like some AKA bags that I don't want to get rid of. I just keep them still. And so down on the other side is where I keep like my shoes and stuff. And like I said, these aren't all my shoes because I'm in the process of packing. And then I have like more hangers and then some shirts and some dresses back here. On this, I have this little like shelf area and I keep all my yearbooks. And so I have yearbooks all the way from first grade to the end of college. And yeah, I keep them all. And so then on the next row, these are like some books and stuff that I don't want to give away, and like notebooks and stuff. That is just, I don't even know what that is to be honest, but I have like pictures. That was one of my friends growing up. And then down there is like just more storage stuff that I just haven't given away and like thrown out yet. And then I have like an umbrella and then like a cheer suitcase underneath there. Up on this shelf, I have like all my purses. Like I used to wear Coach bags all the time in high school, but now I wear Michael Kors. I don't really wear those anymore, but I just don't want to like throw them away. Here is like a memory box. I actually just went through that memory box. I'm not gonna go through it because there's like some crazy stuff in there, but it's like stuff that like I never throw away and I kept in like, everything has like a meaning. Over here is just blankets, and then up there's are just some dolls. Like I know they look really creepy just like sitting there like that. Yeah. And then up there, that's my graduation cap from high school, and then my one from college is in there. So exiting the closet, moving on into the bathroom. When you first walk in, this is what it looks like. I have like my shower over here. That's the shower curtain, and then like a rug down there. Like the theme of the bathroom is gray. So opening up the shower curtain, I have like my bathtub, and that's just some products like shampoo, conditioner, stuff like that. And then like there's a window out there. Over here is the toilet and the toilet paper roll thing. And then there's like a little like picture up there. I didn't pick that out, but yeah. And then there's a rug there. And this door leads to the other room. That's not my room. That's my sister's room. So this is my sister's part of the room. Like we share the bathroom. Like we share the toilet and the shower. But we each have our own vanity. So that's her vanity. But I'm not going to go in her room because I didn't really have her permission to go in there. But I was just showing you guys that that's what that door leads to. And so then over here we have like some towels for decoration. We don't really use them. And so then here we have like cabinets. We store towels in here. And like I said, my room was pink before, so we haven't gotten rid of the pink. And my sister's room was orange, so we haven't gotten rid of her orange towels either. So these don't, oh, they do open. I did not know they open. Okay. Well, anyways, those open. And so this in here is a hamper type thing. So that is the bathroom. And so when you walk out, it's my vanity. And then I have the closet there, my bedroom. And yup, that is basically my room tour. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so. So thank you so much.